Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making a fish sauce and roasted plantain. I have 3 plantain here, and then I have my diced onions a lot. I have ginger and garlic paste. I have my seasoning, which is paprika, salt, black pepper and aromat. You can use any seasoning of your choice. I have red pepper, that's bell pepper. Okay, then I have my fish. Here is mackerel I'm using. You can use any fish, tuna or whatever you have. I'm going to begin by peeling the plantains and getting them ready. If you haven't subscribed, please remember to subscribe. Okay, and in my own already lined up baking tray, I'm just going to spray some cooking oil and I'll cut through the plantain so that it cooks in properly and well. I'll do that to the remaining 3. Okay, please leave a comment for me, share, and please, if you haven't subscribed, do. We have a lot of goodies in here for you that you will enjoy. Now I'm going to put that in the oven and then I'll keep turning it until it is well roasted. In a pan, I'm going to heat it up and then add my palm oil and let that to also heat up. Okay, and I'm using this amazing palm oil. It says healthier palm oil is so good for cooking. You might want to try that if you're in the UK. I don't know of other places. So once it's heated up, I'm going to go in with my onions, and we're using a lot of onions. If you don't like a lot of onions, you can reduce that, and we will stir on that. After a while, we're going in with our ginger and garlic paste. Very important. Okay, and at this point my kitchen was smelling so good. You want to stir on that until it is well mixed, and then go in with your pepper. This is not the hot pepper, it's just those long bell peppers. Okay, you can use, if you eat scotch bonnet, you can use scotch bonnet if you want, but this is the one I use because not everyone eats scotch bonnet in my house. After a while, I'll go in with seasoning and I will mix that in. Always mix and mix once you add something, so that they're all combined together and properly mixed, and then you're not eating half cooked food. Okay, yeah, after a while I will go in with my smoked mackerel. At this point my kitchen is smelling and I'm sure my neighbors are wondering what is going on. Okay, but yeah, look at how good that looks. And because we added seasoning in here, I always say this: cook it for a while so that you're not having stomach upset. That's why I'm adding a bit of water, and I will just mix that into the sauce and then I'll cover it for a while so that it will cook for about a minute or 2 for the seasonings that we just added to go in well. Okay, yeah, so please, just a quick reminder, remember to subscribe and share this with your friends. Leave a comment so that I will know where you're watching me from and if you enjoyed watching. And at this point the sauce is all ready. I'm going to just set this aside while we wait for the plantain to be ready. And guys, just look at this, it's time to serve the plantain. Do you see how good that looks? A plantain is all ready. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please remember to like, share, comment, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next video. And until then, always remember that Jesus loves you so much. Bye.